Hey there, Sensei Jeff here with Elite Leadership Martial Arts. Wanted to give you a few helpful tips to get the most out of your training. Okay, so when we look, our first tip is to show up to class regularly. Okay, regular attendance helps our training so much because when we only show up maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, we don't really get the most out of class. We get really down on ourselves because we don't feel good. Okay, there's a lot of reasons why we want to show up to class at least twice a week. One, it gives us that exercise, it gives us those endorphins that are released in our brain. We feel great, we learn a lot of stuff, okay, and it's continually reinforced. So make sure you show up to class at least twice a week. Okay? Number two, intensity is the key. Okay? You've often heard me say you only get out of it what you put into it. Okay? When we do this and when we look at it, if we only give an effort, it's just okay, I'm doing my best. Okay, we're not going to get anything. We're not going to feel any good feelings coming out of it. We're not going to learn anything out of it. Okay, when we're training, we want to make sure we're throwing everything nice and hard. Okay, so we're working as hard as we can. We should be, feeling really awesome at the end of class. Okay, worn out, but a good, awesome feeling that we've accomplished a lot. So remember, train as hard as you can every single class. Number three, learn at least one new thing in every class. You think about this. We show up twice a week. You know what? We learn one new thing every single class. That's over 100 new things you're going to learn every single year. Okay? That's going to help improve your martial arts career. It's going to help improve you consistently and constantly. Okay? One of the things that we want to make sure is that we don't walk away from a class and say, "Oh, I didn't learn anything today." You know what? Even if it's something that we've already learned, okay, I've been training over 20 years, and even to today, I can still sit down and I can listen to someone talk about how to throw a certain kick or whatnot, and I might pick up one little small thing, maybe on timing, maybe on posture, something that maybe I knew, but I wasn't exactly reinforcing or doing anymore. So it's really important to make sure that we always try and learn at least one new thing every class. Okay, so fourth item, warm up before class. Okay, I know we do a little bit of warm up during the beginning of class and whatnot, but it's an awesome idea. If you get here early, to take those couple of minutes, just be quiet, head to the back of the room, against the back wall, and just do a quick little warm up. Okay, making sure that you get your muscles ready to go, stretch out a little bit, get ready for class. Okay, so that's going to help you a lot when it comes time to do the class itself. And of course, our fifth tip: watch other classes. Okay, stick around, watch the higher belts. If you're a new white belt, it's an awesome idea to stick around and watch, say, a yellow and orange belt class or a green and blue belt class. Okay, one of those things that it does is it helps set you up for what you need to work for, what you need to, you're trying to achieve. When you see what it is that a yellow and an orange belt does as a white belt, you know what it takes to become one. Okay, that's going to help motivate you to get you and inspire you up to that level. Okay, if you're a higher rank, stick around and watch the black belts work out. Okay, they work out at a totally different level. You want to be a black belt? It's an awesome idea to sit and watch a class. Okay, that way you know exactly what a black belt trains like, how they act, and what it takes to be that black belt. Okay, so hope you got the 5 tips down. Got any questions, make sure you come see me before or after class. Be happy to spend the time and answer any questions you have. Again, make sure you guys have a powerful day today, and we'll see you on the floor.